Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that's looking to energize and refocus you, getting you to chase down your dreams and make something big happen for you. And here is your quote for today. Sarcasm, just one of the many services that I offer. Now they say sarcasm is the lowest form of wit, so it's a good job I myself have plenty of it. Sarcasm, wit and humour are just some of the great ways you can help push yourself forward with your day, especially during those tough times. Things will be hard at times, but whatever way you use that can help you push yourself through, just get that result you've been chasing, and hey, want to have some witty banter along the way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.